Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Bezoge token, and we are on dextools.io. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. If you haven't seen the previous update, it's going to be in the top right hand corner of the video. Before we get into the video, I just quickly want to mention my Patreon. So this is a great way to support me and a great way for me to give back to those who support me. We have low cap gem calls, buy and sell alerts, personal technical analysis, reviews, video requests, all that kind of stuff in the Patreon. We have 5 different tiers. We already have around about 35 posts in here. So if you decide to subscribe to my Patreon right now, you're going to get all of them unlocked immediately. All of the 35 posts. I think we have like 12 low cap gem calls. And yeah, so think of this as buying a cup of coffee, but instead of the coffee, you get a lot of useful information in 30 days that will potentially make you quite a lot of money, and that will obviously, be fruitful, right? So your subscription is going to be fruitful. I'm going to make sure your investment in me pays off. So yeah, now on to the video. So we do have our Fibonacci retracement set up. As you can see, the last time we wicked off this support zone was December 14th. I did give you this support zone. Beautiful bounce off of this zone. And as well, I keep forgetting that this chart for some reason doesn't work properly. So, from here, it's a nice move to the upside. We're hitting our head on the 786 on the Fibonacci retracement. So that's a resistance level you potentially should look out for. So if you want to take some profits and you bought in over here, then this could be a nice zone to take some profits. I'm going to call out the last 6 digits. So 005681 is your resistance level. So if you see yourself come back up, we can potentially get rejected back down. And always have the buy orders ready in case of a flash crash. So 002609 is a support level that you've held 1 and 2 times before. As you can see, people are buying up the dip over here real quick. So that means that there's some buying pressure and there is demand in these zones. Also, we've been in this falling wedge right now, and our target from the falling wedge is where the falling wedge was created over here at 008759. So we are still in that target. As you can see, we broke out, we back tested this yellow support line, and now we're starting to move up, and that will be our target 008759 because that's where the falling wedge was created. Now, let's take a look at some of the oscillators. So the stochastic RSI over here, as you can see, is having potentially a bullish cross for a trend reversal. So we were in a move to the downside, but now we're getting that bullish cross trend reversal, and we're going to end up over here in the oversold on the daily chart. That's when you want to be taking profits. If this is a long-term hold for you, then you just buy off of support levels and that's it. You don't need to worry about selling. Now, the 20 EMA, as you can see, went below the 55. So we had a bearish cross just briefly on the daily chart. After that, we had the 10 EMA crossing above. So potentially right now, as you can see, we're having our bullish crosses across all the EMAs. So what you can do right now is buy off the 10 EMA and buy off the 20 EMA, right? And at the same time, have some buy orders in this zone as well. So the zone that I just showed you over here at 002609 and this support level as well, because we've held this support level multiple times, and this is a important level in my opinion, so we can potentially bounce off of that area. That's why you need to potentially have some buy orders on this level. So 003352 is your support level over here, because you can see you had multiple bounces off this zone. So yeah, other than that, as you can see, we have started our uptrend. We're starting our uptrend. Let's actually jump into the 4-hourly chart real quick. As you can see, we're just slowly but surely moving up. You have your bullish crosses on the 4-hourly chart. That's great. On the RSI, well, once again, you can see the RSI. I don't even know how to explain this. And the stochastic is glitched out. So that's very useful. But yeah, we're getting the bullish crosses. Over here, we're holding the 55 EMA as support. Maybe look for a bounce off the 55 EMA on the 4-hourly chart. That would be a great support level to hold. And if you see yourself losing the EMAs, then I would just look at this support level over here, right? 003352. I just drew that trend line over here on the daily chart. So yeah, this is an important level that you need to hold. If you lose that level, then I would start looking at the 002609 level that I gave you previously, which is the bottom level of the fib retracement. I don't see us going any lower than the fib retracement. Obviously, if Bitcoin starts crapping the bed and we go into the bear, yeah, we're potentially going to come back lower. But right now, I don't envision that. Potentially, what you are looking for are some nice resistance levels. And one resistance level that I can give you right now is 006966. So that's a great level that we have been rejected for multiple times. So we can expect another rejection once we get closer to that area right over here and a back test of support at the 786. Above that, we do have the golden ratio at 0.8035. That's the golden ratio. That's the most important level on the fib retracement. So by breaking this level, we're actually guaranteeing ourselves that we're going to come back up and have that full retracement. But yeah, other than that, you have your resistance levels. If you're holding for the long term or you're holding for a full retracement until the all-time high, good for you. Just hodl and buy the dips and buy off of support levels. Never buy big green candles. But yeah, that has been pretty much it. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. If I missed out anything on the charts, let me know down below in the comment section. We do have a great Telegram chat with an amazing community. So yeah, check that out. Links are in the description, and also check out our Patreon. Also, guys, make sure to check out ExpressVPN. This is the best VPN we have out there. So if you want to protect your data and you want to protect your information from your local network providers from anywhere in the city, if you connect to a Wi-Fi network, you're going to be safe using ExpressVPN. So also you can battle censorship with a VPN. For example, if you live in Japan and you want to access the streaming content of a different country, let's say Canada, so with ExpressVPN you can change your IP address and you can access the streaming content on any basically streaming platform. So yeah, and for us in the crypto space, it's really important to keep our data and information safe. And for you US folks out there, it's really good to use a VPN sometimes because you get left out a lot of times with launch pads and different IDOs and ICOs. So yeah, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and also there is an exclusive deal for you. If you use the link in the description, you're gonna get obviously 30 days risk-free and 3 months for free if you decide to sign up for the 1-year plan. But yeah, the links are in the description. Make sure to check out ExpressVPN. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.